What's good, everybody? It's your boy Robin. I'm back with another video. I have here an unboxing of the MacBook Air, the M1 version. I decided to pick one up, add to my workflow. Now this is the 8 gigabytes of memory, and I got the base 256 gigabytes of SSD storage. Now, this is just something that I'm going to add to my workflow. It's not going to take the place of my main Mac over my shoulder right here, but it will be something that will add just a little bit more convenience to my life. I was using the iPad Pro, and I was kind of like, I was digging it, but you know, after if you buy all the extra accessories and stuff you need, you're pretty much approaching the price of a MacBook when it comes to things like keyboards and what have you, and adding a mouse and all those type of things. You're going to pretty much approach the price anyway of a base MacBook Air. And the iPad was pretty cool, but for some reason I was just having a tough time working with an iPad when it comes to just editing and things in general. I did get the base 256 gigabyte storage, so you might be saying, well, that's not really a lot of storage to actually edit. But the way I edit, I use Final Cut Pro, and I edit directly from my SSD drive. I use a SSD drive similar to this, and what I'm able to do is I keep everything on the SSD drive, all the footage, A, B-roll, everything, and I'm able to set my settings up and within Final Cut where I keep everything on the SSD drive, edit, and none of the actual video comes over and stays on my internal hard drive. Everything remains on my SSD even after I'm finished editing, and when I'm ready to upload the project, I put it back on my SSD and upload it from that point. Also, I have a little tip where I'm able to save storage on my SSD card by deleting all the render files within a project, which in turn can shrink a very large project down to literally a 1/3 of its original size. I've had projects that was 8, 9, 10 gigabytes in size, and by deleting the render files, I was able to get it easily under 500 megabytes, 325. I got them as small as 72 megabytes. So that's a little tip. I learned this from a video from Think Media, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the links to that tutorial video down below for those who are Final Cut Pro editors who may be interested in using that method of editing. And it's a good way to save you some space and storage, and you'd be surprised how much easier your workflow would be only editing off of your SSD card and keeping everything there. So let's do the unboxing. All right, so let's start by removing the plastic. I'm gonna make it real quick and simple. Not gonna go into too many details. Real nice, like this. Got the space gray. Got a nice little bit of weight behind it. Still looks nice. Real quick inside. You got your C to lightning, well, they're lightning ports or C to C type of cables. Got your charging brick, type C bottom to it. Got your Apple books and design in California information with a couple space gray Apple stickers on board. And that pretty much does it for what's in the box. everything back. I'll get to that a little later. Got a nice little weight to it, real nice. All right, real thin. Got your bumpers on the bottom. Got your 2 lightning ports on the side, which it had 4. I think that's one of the biggest drawbacks. And you got your headphone jack right there. Again, that's pretty much it. Again, like I said, you had a fingerprint sensor right up there. Speakers, you can pretty much tell from listening to it that it's, you know, it's pretty decent. There's better, but I think for the most part, I will be using headphones a lot with this. So that pretty much does it. It's a quick unboxing of the MacBook Air. Just kind of wanted to get it out there, let everybody know that I got one. If you and I'm you know, I might do some other videos on it if you're interested in it. But for the most part, that pretty much does it. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Other than that, I catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.